is AI and augmentation. It's the age of creation. So people love this. I don't know if you've had this experience, but when ChatGPT first came out, I happened to go to 3 retirement parties. And in each retirement party, the host read a poem that they wrote with ChatGPT. And they were so pleased. I mean, they were so happy about this poem that they created. I think the retirees thinking you couldn't go to Walmart and get a Hallmark card. You just had the computer do it. But they were so pleased. They were so happy. And so this is a clue. This is how a lot of people like to use this, right? It's to surpass themselves and co-create. So this is one of my favorite examples. This is something that our beloved computer science professor, Chris Peach, did with his daughter, Freya, in image generation, where she made a story about a friendly witch in the forest. So this child could not have done this without these tools, right? But she's able to create this, and then this surpasses herself. And so that's one vision of these tools, right, is that they help you surpass yourself.